Hi, I'm Yvette Pass. I did my career profile. I'm a mental health counselor and/or a marriage family therapist. Counselors usually work as an individual counselor or a family counselor. They can study a person's mental health, their disorders, coping mechanisms, and aid them in trying to stay mentally healthy. They usually work in clinics, either with a partner or on their own. They mostly use talk as a way to diagnose their patients or to help them with what they're going through. Counselors have a lot of research to find, and they are responsible to maintain the health of a person or a family. They may have to research a wide variety of things like a person's mental health disorder history, and they also have to create a good environment for a person's home or the home of the family. Some stresses that they can go through is that a counselor, if they work in their own clinic, they have to build their own clientele, and that can be hard sometimes because they have to be good at marketing themselves. They also have to deal with emotional stress and sometimes overwhelming emotions as they help their patients who reveal their personal emotional traumas to them. Counselors have to learn how to cope so that they don't emotionally drain themselves and bring that baggage with them home. Also, they sometimes face extensive work hours because they may have to meet with their clients at odd hours or be available in emergency situations, like helping suicidal patients. There are a lot of benefits. They can receive leave for sickness or vacations. They're usually eligible for retirement, and they also have health insurance plans, like dental, health, and vision. And they can also leave to receive more education when they need it. Common tasks that they have, depending on what they're emphasizing in, they can work with elderly, PTSD patients, anxiety and depression patients, suicidal tendency patients, grief, marriage counseling, coping with terminal illness, and other many things. They work to try to understand their patients, to know their medications, and to help them make good decisions. And they also assist them when life changes are made. They also have to learn how to manage paperwork and work with colleagues and coworkers, especially if they work in a practice where they have a partner. The educational requirements: a counselor needs to have at least a master's degree in marriage and family studies. They need to have an internship, state licensure, and 3,000 hours of clinical work supervised by someone who's currently practicing. The starting salary is around $43,000, and after experience, it can go up to $65,000. This is just a good job because there are a lot of different types of counseling that you can go into, and you can find what you're interested in, what you're good at working with, and yeah, that's all about counseling.